Now, this is Dr. Richard Cutler, MD, the National Institute of Health. Says the amount of antioxidants you maintain in your body is directly proportional to how long you will live. This is also an ORP chart. It's basically an antioxidant chart. ORP stands for oxidation reduction potential. Now, anything the positive is increasing oxidation, that rusting effect. Okay, so here we have bottled water, tap water, sport drinks, sodas. Okay, the higher the number, the more oxidizing effect it has on your body. So you can imagine where battery acid is probably around a positive 700. Now, anything the negative is decreasing oxidation. So here we have vitamin C, green tea, cod liver oil, and we're actually going to take a look at these beverages here in front of us to see where they are in the antioxidant quality. So we're going to probably recognize a lot of these products up here. This is Dasani water. This was actually voted worst product by Consumer Reports of all products made, electronics, cars, etc. This Dasani water is actually so bad it's banned in Europe, so you won't see this in Germany, France, England, Spain, etc. It's basically Atlanta tap water that they run through a filter, and then they sell to you. Now, right next to that, and by the way, this is made by Coca-Cola. This is made by Pepsi. This is Aquafina. This is actually pulled from the Detroit River, and they run through a filter and they sell it to you. And there is Aquafina. Again, it's banned in Europe. This is Smart Water. Okay, this is like a reverse osmosis water. Okay. Right next to that, we have some Niagara. It's just one that I happened to pick up in the store, and there is Niagara. Right next to that, we have some vitamin water. Okay, this was voted worst health drink by Men's Fitness magazine. So here is some vitamin water. Right next to that, we have some Gatorade, and a little hard to open up. This represents all your sport drinks. Gatorade also makes Propel, and this basically represents all your sport drinks because they're basically all the same. Right next to that, we've got some 7-Up, and this represents all of your soft drinks: Coke, Pepsi, Diet Coke, Sprite, Red Bull, Mountain Dew. Right next to that, we got some tap water, and this is Redondo Beach's finest. All right, right next to that, we have some Kangen water, and this is made from our Kangen machine about half hour ago. All right, so we're gonna first test out the antioxidants in the water, and I got an ORP meter here, and we're actually just gonna turn this on, and we're gonna test these out. Now again, we want something that is negative, not something that is positive. So we're gonna test these out here real quick. So here we go with Dasani water. Okay, slowly going down here. Okay, about positive 660, 650. Okay. Right next to that, we got some Aquafina. About 660 also. Right next to that, we have some Smart Water. Okay. You can see it's not so smart after all. Right next to that, we've got some Niagara. Here is Niagara water. About 620. Here we have some vitamin water. Okay. Now we've got some Gatorade. Actually, it's gone down a little bit, about 418. Right next to that, we have some 7-Up, representing all your soft drinks. It's about a 447. Here is our tap water. That's positive 426. Now we're actually going to do the Kangen water now, and the Kangen water is actually pulled from the same water as the tap water. So here we go with the Kangen water. Everybody see that? That is a negative 400. Okay, actually, yeah, negative 400. Now that's why one glass of this water has more antioxidants than 20 glasses of green tea. Now what it's actually doing is taking an H2O molecule, it actually cleaves off a hydrogen molecule, and then it creates a negative bond around the HO that's left, which is called the hydroxyl. And that basically goes throughout your system, picking up positively charged free radicals that cling to it like a magnet. Now, one free radical can kill 2 million healthy cells in a minute. And the average cell of your body gets attacked 15,000 times a day by free radicals. So that's why you want to drink a lot of this water. Okay. Now, Dr. Horst Filtzer, the pioneer of the vascular stent, he says you couldn't eat enough fruits and vegetables throughout the entire day to get the amount of antioxidants you get one glass of the water. He also says one of the 2 greatest discoveries in his life is Kangen water in Harvard University, where he graduated top of his class, has been teaching at for over 30 years.